He was in Radha and he came out of the Gambhira, the small room where he was doing his bhajan and crying in Radha's heart, in Radha's bhav, crying out, "Oh Krishna Kahan, Krishna Kahan." Then Lord Chaitanya ran down the street. It's only about, if you're that big, it's about a 2-minute run from the Gambhira to the Singadwara gate, Jagannath Puri, and the Grand Road, the main Lions Gate on the east side. About 2 minutes away, if you're Lord Chaitanya, you can run there. So he ran there, and the Chowkidar was standing out front, and Lord Chaitanya, in the madness of his ecstasy to see Krishna, Jagannath, he grabbed the Chowkidar, and he's shaking his head, "Where's Krishna? Where's Krishna? Show, I want to see Krishna, where's Krishna?" And he picked the guy up, the little guy, you know, he's Lord Chaitanya, 7 feet, and where's Krishna? The guy was choking, And then he put him down, and then the Chowkidar at the Jagannath temple, he took Lord Chaitanya's hand and said, come, I'll show you Krishna. And he brought him inside, he says, look, there he is. Jaya Jagannath, Jaya Jagannath, Jaya Jagannath, Jaya Jagannath. And then Lord Chaitanya saw Shyam Sundar, Vijayanatham playing the Vamshi and fainted in ecstasy. So this is the fact that the open-minded person who comes to you inquiring humbly with a straw between the teeth, Dante Trina, oh please, I am supposedly born in this baptized, but I don't know much about it, and I want to know more. Can you help me? That's the person you can preach to. You want to understand who to preach to, you open the Bhagavad Gita, 18th chapter, verses, what number? 68, 69, 70. And Krishna says, Arjuna, I told you all these secrets. And Guyam, Guyatara, and Sarva Guyatamam, Guyam, Guyatara, Guyatamam, then Sarva Guyatamam. You can see in the Sanskrit. It says, this is the secret. This is more secret. This is most secret. This is absolute pinnacle and quintessence of all secrets. Sarva Guya. Of all secrets, this is the secret of all secrets. What is that? Do you know? You know, raise your hand and speak. What is the final secret teachings? The secret teachings of Vedas. What is the final secret teaching of Krishna in the Gita? Huh? Thank you very much. So this, okay, forget everything. Oh, Gita's too many verses. Okay, learn one. Manmana bhagavan bhakto madhyaji mam namaskuru mame vaishasi satyam te pratijane priyosi. That's the only thing. This is it, 1865. And then to get there, then you have to give up everything else. So first he gives the sadhya. Krishna gives the sadhya in 1865. Sadhya means the goal, the conclusion, the final point. And so, how do you get to a point where all you do is think about Krishna, and all you do is offer obeisances, and all you do is worship Krishna? Because now I'm thinking of so many people, and I'm worshiping so many people, and bowing down to so many people. So then the next verse, 1866, is Sarva dharman parityaja mamekam sharanam vraja aham tvam sarva papebhyo mokshayishyami ma chucha.